Brumbergs, part of the leadership team here at Applexus. This is the third in my series, 3 Things to Do When Starting an S4 Program. Today, I will talk about identify and ready your people. To get anything done, you need people, and those people need to be led, understand the mission, and know how to go about fulfilling it. Start with an executive sponsor that will show day-to-day visible leadership and reinforce the mission and objectives of the program. This should be a senior executive that is bought into the value case and able to stay close enough to the program to keep the team reminded of the case for change and corresponding boundaries. Create a steering committee of executives as an extension of your program sponsor. Get them aligned on the case for change and the project approach. Most transformation programs span multiple lines of business and in turn, multiple executive stakeholders. The steering committee will ensure the team understands the case for change and will govern schedule adherence and project budget. Rarely is everything in an S4 program going to be easier for everybody. Usually one area takes on additional work to optimize the process across the entire organization. These executives need to facilitate the direction in the best interests of the organization, even if it creates some pain in their own area. The next layer is the project team itself. Build a team of your best people from the business operations and IT and devote them 100% to the project. Find the people that will be future leaders of your organization and thoroughly understand your business. These need to be the forward-thinking people that tend to be innovative, questioning, and driven to accomplish the program as quickly as possible. You will miss these people in your daily operations. As a result, these leaders will be armed with deep knowledge of the solution as they rejoin the business operations and will influence the level of adoption and success of the new solution in achieving your value case. Finally, get the team trained before the program starts. They should learn about SAP, how it is structured, and the intention of the approach taken by SAP. They should learn the SAP Activate methodology or something similar like Applexus Running Start. And finally, they need to adopt a cloud mindset to apply key concepts such as fit to standard and agile and help simplify what usually becomes a very complex initiative. If you get the people dimension right, your SAP S4 program will bring home the benefits you expected when you signed up for this digital transformation. If you watched all 3 of these videos, I thank you and hope you will reach out to me to discuss how to get started on your S4HANA digital transformation. Thank you.